Welcome guys, today I'm come with a new product. This is TP-Link. Its model is TL MR3420.
Viewers, subscribe my channel and click on bell button now.
Okay, this is a 3G 4G wireless N series router. Guys, you know what is N series, and it is suitable for your home, because your home has many wall in your home, and it is very good to serve their frequency in your home. Okay, now I'm going to open the box. Okay, you also use your 3G 4G modem on this router. Okay, I'm going to this router. Okay, there is a quick installation guide, guys, and there is some technical support guide and general public license of this. Okay, everything alright. So this is the TP-Link. This is a special router, I think. Okay, its model is, I told you, this is MR3420. You can use your modem, 3G 4G modem here, and here are 4 line port, Ethernet line port. There is a on off switch here. There is a WP reset switch on here, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi, push this switch, and that's very good surrounding frequency, and its data transfer rate is 300 Mbps. So guys, I will give you the link. You can buy it from Amazon.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the interface of TLMR3420. It's a TP-Link router. Now I'm going to the URL, the web access of this router. Okay, I'm going to write down 192.168.1 and .1, and I'm going to the access panel. On this access panel, put my access admin, your default, please keep it your mind, your default password is admin, and your default username also admin, and I have changed my password there. Now I'm going to log in. Okay, now guys, you see the interface of the TLMR3420. There is a good discount, and you can buy this product from Amazon. I will give you the link to buy on the description box down. Okay, here is the network map. You can see all over the router in a view. Okay, now I'm going to describe you the everything what you see here. There is 2 wireless client. Okay, and you just connect it to internet. This why there is a blue mark on the on here, and you can connect it your 3G 4G modem to this router, and you can share over your internet over the this router. There is a 2 wired connection. I mean, there is a 2 Ethernet connection client. Okay, and this is my main network connection. That's type is PPOE. Okay, now I'm going to the internet and sub option. There is 3G 4G. I told you that you can connect to your modem and you can share your internet via this modem very easily. And there is one, okay, this is a very important matter that you can, how you can connect your broadband to this router, and you can share internet via over this router. Okay, just go to quick setup. Okay, and set up your time zone. Which country do you live? Where do you live? Okay, next, and please select your connection. Which type of connection do you want? I prefer only one. Okay, next step. Okay, do you have static IP? It's mean a dedicated IP. Some people in our country and all over the world who use the dedicated IP, I mean real IP, dedicated bandwidth, and with real IP they used the static IP. But in broadband connection we usually get a PPOE connection. Okay, then go to next, and here put your username and password. Okay, and go next. Okay, just set up your wireless connection name and password. Okay, the next. Okay, here this. Okay, save. Okay, we have just completed our connection, broadband connection setup now. Okay, we can test the internet here now. Okay, okay, success. We got success and we got a smile. That means we have test our connection and we got the connection. Okay, finish. Now we are going to we are going to advanced option. Okay, guys, you see there this is a 2.4 gigahertz a single channel router. Okay, you can set your wireless settings that I saw you few seconds ago. Okay, which type of connection do you want? Okay, and there is a WPS key. This is your current WPS key. Okay, you can restore or generate a new pin here. Guys, you can you know, I think you already know that you can connect a router to your PC without any password, any wireless password. Just put this pin to your PC and push the WPS button on your router and you will get connected. Okay, there is a wireless security. Okay, there is a wireless security. As you want, you can set this. There is MAC filtering. Okay, guys, you can control your bandwidth and you can control your user share, whom you want to share your internet or not. You can control everything here, and there is a wireless advance. It's not important. Okay, the wireless statics, you can show the statics here. There are two wireless client. I think I saw you it a few minutes ago. There is a DCPS client section. Okay, there is a DHCP section. Okay, DHCP client. There is all the client who using my internet still now. And the most important option of this router, the system tools. I'm going to the tools. Here you can update your router software that called firmware. You can easily download your router firmware from the web. You just put your router model on the web and just write down firmware, the latest firmware, and you will get and download the file and put the file here and upgraded your TP-Link router software here. Okay, there is a factory default. You can restore your router factory default here to to click down here, and there is a backup restore. You can restore your settings and backup the firmware and all our things here. And there is a reboot. Okay, there is a reboot option that usually we used it to reboot our router. There is one thing, guys, this router is so good. It routers, I have using this router about 1 year, but I never ever get any hanged problem on this router. Guys, you can buy this router from Amazon. I will give you the buying link of Amazon in the description box. I hope you will check out this product. And there is password. Here you can change your router access password and username. And okay guys, that's all about TP-Link MR3420. Have a nice day.